Welcome to the second lecture of our course, Generative AI for Leaders. Today we will explore the evolution of artificial intelligence in business, tracing its development from its early days to the advanced generative AI technologies we see today. Understanding the history of AI in business will give us valuable insights into how it has evolved and how it continues to shape industries worldwide. So I am giving the highlight here. Early days of AI. From the diagram, what we see that the journey of AI in business began in the 1950s from the diagram and 1960s when researchers started exploring the potential of machines to solve complex problems and mimic human reasoning. Early AI focused on symbolic reasoning and problem solving tasks. For example, one of the earliest AI programs, the logic theorist, was designed to mimic the problem-solving skills of a human. These early efforts laid the foundation for AI we know today, but they were limited by the computing power and data availability of the time. Rise of machine learning. The 1980s and 1990s saw the emergence of machine learning. Unlike earlier AI approaches that relied on predefined rules, machine learning allowed computers to learn from data and improve over time. Algorithms like decision trees, neural networks, and support vector machine became popular tools for analyzing data and making predictions. This era also saw the beginning of AI applications in business, particularly in areas like finance and manufacturing, where predictive analytics began to improve decision-making processes. Here actually you see the input layer, the hidden layer, this neural network output layer, and then the decision-making nodes is there. So neural network nodes we see here. AI in business applications. By the 2000, AI began to be applied more broadly in business settings. We saw the emergence of recommendation systems such as those used by Amazon and Netflix, which leverage AI to suggest products and contents to users. Predictive analytics became a cornerstone of business strategy, helping companies forecast demand, optimize pricing, then manage risk more effectively. AI was no longer just a research topic, it was becoming an integral part of business operations. The birth of generative AI. In 2010, brought about a new era with advent of generative AI. Technologies like generative adversarial networks or GANs and variational autoencoders VAEs enable machines to create entirely new content, from realistic images to natural language text. This was a major leap forward. It allowed AI to move beyond analyzing and predicting data to actually recreating it. Generative AI opened up new possibilities for innovation in industries such as entertainment, marketing, and design. So here is some difference we see. The characteristic AI Like the purpose, develop computer system that can perform tasks typically require human intelligence. The traditional machine learning make predictions or decisions based on given data, whereas generative AI, see the generative AI new data samples resembles a given set of training data. The data interaction, this model, the AI model use various techniques and strategies designed to mimic human intelligence across a wide range of applications, where traditional ML models learn from data to make predictions or decisions or new unseen data. Whereas generative AI produce new data that were not part of the original dataset but share similar characteristics. So here you see the left side, some split image showing traditional AI outputs, the classification on one side, and the AI generated AI outputs on the right side. Impact on modern business. Today, generative AI is revolutionizing industries by creating personalized content, automating complex tasks, and driving innovation in marketing. For example, AI can generate personalized advertisements tailored to individual preferences. In design, AI tools can create logos, product designs, and even entire websites. The impact of AI on business is profound, enabling companies to operate more efficiently, innovate faster, and offer more personalized experiences to customers. The mentioned diagram is also we're mentioning here. Challenges and ethical considerations. So, however, the evolution of AI also brings challenges. Ethical considerations such as data privacy, bias, and potential for job displacement must be carefully managed. As AI becomes more integrated into business processes, it's crucial to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and that they benefit society as a whole. Addressing these challenges will be key to the continued success and acceptance of AI in business. Recap and looking ahead. To recap, AI has come a long way from its early days of symbolic reasoning to the advanced generative AI models we see today. Its evolution has been driven by increasing availability of data, and I share some key milestone here, like 1950, what happened, 1956, John McCarthy introducing the artificial intelligence, then 1964, Joseph chatbot capable of holding conversations and humans, then 1997, a class playing computer Deep Blue defeats chess champion Garry Kasparov. Then 1999, Sony launches first robot pet dog whose personality and skills develop over time. 2002, the first mass production robots cleaner to recognize to navigate homes, and 2011 Apple integrates into iPhone intelligent virtual assistant. In 2014, question answering computer Watson aims to place on TV show, and then 2014 Amazon launches Alexa intelligent virtual assistant that complex shopping tasks. And 2020 GPT-3 model conversation is introduced. In 2022, ChatGPT is available to public testing. So this will provide a deeper understanding of how AI systems can learn from data and improve over time. Now let's discuss how evolution has impacted on our industry, what the future might hold. Thank you for joining in this lecture on the evolution of AI in business. I'm excited to continue this journey with you as we delve deeper into the technical aspects of AI in our upcoming session. See you in the next lecture. Thanks everyone.